Mental health is person's emotional, mental, and social state. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It's important for daily life and overall well-being.
Stress, trauma, or unhealthy habits can affect mental health. People with good mental health can handle stress, get along with others, and do daily activities well.
It is important to care about mental health, avoid stigma, and seek help when needed. Mental health is just as important as physical health.
Mental health problems like stress, anxiety, and depression can happen to anyone. If not treated, they can affect daily life. Taking care of it means resting, talking to others, and getting help when needed.